Antonio Molina. He was born on December 26, 1894 and died on January 29, 1980. Was a Filipino composer, conductor, and music administrator. He was deemed a national artist of the Philippines for his services to music. He was also known as the Lord Prophecy of the Philippines due to his use of impressionist forms of music. Parents: Father Juan Molina, a government official and also a musician who produced Antonio music. Mother Maria de Jesus, a holy siblings, musical life. Though public records have his other updated sitting information. Married to Pastia Casiano, children include Angelica Molina, other notable pieces include Ryan Cayabyab, born on May 4, 1954, is a Filipino composer, conductor, arranger, and musician, affectionately known as Mr. C. He is of Filipino ethnicity and studied music at the University of the Philippines College of Music. Cayabyab is celebrated for blending traditional Filipino music with contemporary styles. Some of his most famous works include Kay Kanta ng Ating Musika, The Coconut Nut, Tuwing Umulan at Kapiling Ka, and musical styles like Katie and Ramahari. He also composed numerous choral pieces and scores for films and televisions. Levi Celerio, born on April 30, 1910 and died on April 2002, was a Filipino composer and lyricist.
May pangakit na taglay, maginhawat di maalinsangan, nakahalina kung pagmasdan, kanesa ay pambayang sasakyan, kabayo'y hindi natin problema.
Some of his most famous works include Ang Pasko ay Sumapit, Sa Ugwi ng Duyan, and Saan Ka Man Naroroon. In 1997, he was honored as a National Artist of the Philippines for Music.